Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Tuesday, July 1st. Look, I want to look at Zagg. I mentioned this a couple days ago that the stock was breaking out, and breaking out it has. So the real question is this: is it too late to buy? Okay, we'll look at the weekly chart. If you're looking at the weekly chart, I would say no, it's not too late to buy because it's come down quite a bit, has formed a base. And now the stock looks like, it definitely looks like it's moving higher. We're seeing a nice uptick in volume with a big bunch of volume this last week, which makes this kind of a power move. It's an up move, through kind of key resistance levels here. It's up. This close for this week is the highest that it closed this year, again, on a weekly basis. So that was a big key indicator here. And then today, the stock's up even more. Pretty low volume, right? Well, it's because it's only Tuesday. Okay, let's get back to the daily chart. So you can see, this has just been a massive move. But you look at the volume. It has tailed off quite a bit. Definitely tapered off quite a bit. So here's what I would suggest doing. If you are long the stock, keep a pretty tight stop on it. Make it a 2 or 3, literally a 2 or 3% trailing stop, because the stock's up, over 10%. Like it's up almost 20% really from, I would say, this breakout level here. So that's a pretty good move. It is coming out of a base though. So I wouldn't just be inclined to sell, to take profits, because now you're ignoring this. So instead, I think you want to stay long, but you want to keep a tight stop. And then if the stock does in fact come down a bit, don't just buy it. Wait for support and then buy it. You want to wait for support, and that's when you buy the stock. So anyway, hope this helps, members. I've got some interesting stuff on the 3D printers as well as some other stocks. We got some really good actionable stocks right now as the market hits new highs. So don't blow off today's strategy session.